Hey everyone, welcome to Big Music. Today we've got something amazingly special. This is one of the very first in the country. We are going to be doing the unboxing and a bit of a demo and a jam of the brand new Yamaha DTX10K. As you can see, it comes in 4 boxes. Up here we've got the new rack, the new hex rack. Down the front here we've got all the new wood toms, and over here we've got cymbals and hardware, and of course we've got the module or brain here as well. So 4 boxes. It looks like Ben and I, we've got a bit of work to do. We're going to get this thing set up.